Hello everyone, and welcome to Full Course Online. In today's video, we're going to talk about something really important for every parent: how to set app limits on your child's phone using Google Family Link. We'll see how you can control which apps your child can download, how to set restrictions on overused apps, and how to require approval for certain types of apps, even paid ones. And don't worry, if you're not sure how to download and set up Google Family Link, I've already made a complete step-by-step video for that. You'll find the link in the description below. So, let's get started. First, open the Family Link app on your own phone. Sign in using your parent account. Right at the top, you'll see the option for Google Play. Tap on that. Now, this is where you can manage what kind of apps your child is allowed to install from the Play Store. Right now, the setting allows your child to install apps rated 12+, but let's say you want to lower that, maybe to apps rated 3+, just to be safe. Go ahead and change that setting. Now let's test it out. On the child's phone, open the Play Store and try to install an app. Let's say it's a trading app. Immediately, the child sees a message. Approval required. A parent has to approve this item. At this point, the child has two choices. Ask in person, they hand over the phone to you, and you enter your password to approve it. Or send a request via message. Let's go ahead and deny this one for now. Now, let's say the child tries to install something useful, like Google Drive. This time, they choose to send a message to the parent. You'll get a notification. Tap the bell icon at the top of the Family Link app. Here, you'll see the request, and you have two options. Approve right away, or review the app first, just to be sure. It's a really helpful way to stay in control while still giving your child some freedom. Now, let's look at purchase and download approvals. You can choose whether every app needs your approval, or only paid content requires it. Let's select the second option, approval only for paid apps, and see how it works. Back on the child's phone, they try to install a premium app. They'll see a message saying they need to ask the family manager, and the request will be sent right to you. Simple, safe, and in your control. And finally, let's see how to set time limits for specific apps. Go to the Family Link app and choose Block or Set App Limits. Let's pick an app like CapCut. Maybe your child is spending too much time editing videos. You'll see a few options. Allow the app with no limits. Remove any existing limits. Or set a specific time limit. Let's say we want to allow CapCut for just 15 minutes a day. Set the time. Tap Done. And that's it. Now your child can enjoy the app, just within the boundaries you've set. That's all for this video. In the next one, we'll look at how to control and limit internet browsing on your child's phone, another really important topic. Thanks for watching, and as always, take care and stay in control.